Hi, I'm Sander Smith, Product Manager for Wexxar Bell. Today we're going to look at the case conveyance system as it relates to our Flex E Pack system. So, in Pack Expo Chicago, we introduced the single operator Flex E Pack system that was integrated with our Deca 500 and Bell 250 top sealer. So you had a 10-minute erector integrated with a sealer to match that. That system consisted of this buffer conveyor and the single load cell for the operator. All the controls for the conveyors are housed in our case erectors. So in that case it was housed in the Deca 500. When we got to Chicago, we unveiled our two-person pack station. Since that time, we've been working with our customer base and looking at what is really required for a two-person pack station. And so we're going to look at some of the logic behind the conveyors themselves today. So we'll start by firing up the machine and loading up the conveyor. Today we're working with our WF20, which provides the end user with a little more speed than that 10-minute Deca 500 system that we initially showed. So this is a 20-minute inline case erector. So this hand pack line will probably go closer to 15 a minute. So when you initialize the conveyor, we feed our buffer zone, and this is a cue for cases just to keep the operators fed. Because this is a two-person pack station, the case advances to the first position. The thought behind that being that you have two operators that are going to work in concert with one another. So this operator may pull two pulls of product and send the operator to the next station where they pull two pulls of product and then on in through the sealer. So operator one's loaded up their product, they punch the button, it goes on to operator two. Cases are now advancing and the queue is now being fed. Operator two's loaded their case, they let their case go on into the sealer. When that case is done, it advances to the second position. Now all this is great when you have two operators right here. But if one of your operators needs to go and take a break or is dealing with something else on the line, what you would end up with is one operator doing a dance on all these pedals trying to keep the cases rolling. So what we did was we programmed in a bypass system that allows any one of these operators to walk away from the system and have the conveyor move on. So right now, bypass on station number one is on. So operator two loads their product, sends it on, and that case automatically advances to this operator. So we can keep the line moving even though there's not an operator here at this time. Now if operator two in this position was the one to take a break and operator one was the one loading, that case would advance. Operator one would be here loading, sending cases on, and cases would be coming to that operator. So there's a lot of flexibility. It's Flex E Pack. So flexibility is really all what it's about. So we can provide the right amount of cases to the operators at the right time without tying them to a button or tying them to the machine itself. Now, if you want to have some real fun, you can do a run and gun case loading situation where you can actually bypass all the conveyors, and if you have the machine operating at an appropriate speed, operators can just begin to load as the cases are coming through. So thanks for checking out the Flex E Pack. We'll be doing some more Flex E Pack videos as we get into more and more of our product delivery systems, because product is unique and those systems require some very unique solutions, and we're working on that for you. So come check us out around the fall. Thanks.